Welcome to another Omenani series with Nzitobo Sigwe Ezikolomo. Today I want to discuss about what the Igbos you call Onyebuluchi use or Bawo also. That means the concept of putting your she first. I've said it repeatedly in many of my videos. Here Amaluchi, you must know your chi. She is the central teaching. She is the central teaching of ordinary Igbo or Igbo spirituality. One must know his she, that's his personal Lord and Savior. This is why the Igbo said, Onyebuluchi user or Bawo and also the Igbos believe that we do not all, every human has his own Savior. That means you must know your Savior and align with your Savior, or else the journey of life will be very difficult for you, or you may end up in disaster. So today I want to show you how to avoid this disaster. Or if you want to avoid this disaster, you must ensure you do these 7 things. Because it's not about just knowing your she. You need to go further. You need to know some other things. This is about practice. Remember, we practice ordinana. Number 1, you must acknowledge your she through daily prayers in the morning and evening. Some people will do what has happened to go. They have known their she, and it ends there. And they keep their she. They do what? They keep their she and leave their she. Then after, when something happens, when they are faced with one trial and the other, they will come before their she. Or when they have aligned with their she, what do? They end it there. Then maybe once in 3 months or 4 months or 1 year, they come back to do what? To pray or to acknowledge or to throw nzu for their she. So daily, doing she means what? Daily. It comes with daily prayers in the morning and in the evening. Also, itu chigafa namwede. After everything, after your daily hustles and every other thing, itukwa chigafa. Number 2, intimating your she of any serious plans you have and ask for directions and blessings. Remember, there is this Bible verse that says there is a way that seemeth right unto a man, but the end thereof is death. So it's always good to involve your she in whatever thing you are doing, because most times in our own human eyes, some of the things we are asking for, some of the blessings that we are asking for might actually be death. Some of them might actually be poison. Some of them might actually be disaster, packaged in form of blessing. That's why you need your she. You need your she to be involved while making serious decisions. If you want to make any serious plan, involve your she and ask your she to take control. If this plan is going to turn out for good, let it work out. If it's not going to turn out for good, let it not work out. Number 3, do not bring a problem that is not your personal problem to your she. Don't bring another person's problem to your she. I don't care if that person is your father, your mother, your children, your wife, your close friend, your best friend. Don't bring the person's problem before your what? She. Why? Because that person you are bringing his or her problem before your she, that person has his or her own personal she. So the person should go and align with his or her own personal she. Your she is for you. So if you are praying in front of your she, if you are discussing with your she, you should always bring up matters, issues that involves you and you alone. Number 4, don't ever make the mistake of thinking you know more than your she, because it is an unseen force. You know, at times, because we do not see these forces, we always think that they do not exist, or we always take them for granted, or you think that we know more than them. Now, let me say this. When people see carved woods, all these things that we use, all these imageries that we use, I want to use this as an example. When people see us, for example, now, peradventure, you want to use this imagery, this carved wood here, as your she, you know that it has eyes, it has nose, it has mouth, it has ears. People make the mistake of saying that we worship carved wood, what has eyes but do not see, what has mouth but do not talk, what has ear but cannot see. But they forget that what we are worshiping is unseen. Being human, we always like keeping something that we need to see. For example, people that make all this mockery, Christians that make all this mockery, why do you not go to a church if a fixed building that people can see and saying that God is there, you are going into the presence of God. Have you ever entered that church and seen God? But you will be there and you see that you are worshiping God there, that God is there. Who told you that God is there? It's because you believe right inside you that it is there. It's the same way that we also have this belief that if we keep this wood here and we'll be calling our she and our she will hear us. So now let me say this: the unseen are the ones that have eyes and see very well. It's humans that have eyes but do not see. As a human, you do not even know your real mortal enemies because your enemies do not write it on their forehead. At times, those that even are not happy with us, that do not seem comfortable with us, and that are not friendly with us, we term them our enemies without knowing that those people do not even care about any of our business. That they do not like us, that does not mean that they wish us death. So in most cases, you will realize that those people that smile with you, that eat with you, are those ones that want to kill you, that do not even like you. But you cannot see it written all over their faces. So we are the ones that have eyes, but we do not see. We have mouth, but we cannot even utter the truth in most cases. We have ear, but we do not hear so many things that people are saying behind our backs. But our she sees all those things. Our she hears all these things. So if we come before our she daily, what does our she do? Our she will be revealing these parts, the information that are necessary for us bit by bit. So do not ever make the mistake of thinking that because you do not see your she, that you now know more than your she. No, if you know more than your she, I keep saying it, if you know more than your she, if you know more than the gods, why worship the gods? Any day you believe you know more than whatever thing you are worshiping, then don't worship that thing again because it's no longer necessary. It's no longer necessary. You don't need it. Number 5, do not honor any force above your she. Some Igbos make the mistake of having their she, knowing their she, saying that they know their she, then they now place another foreign god. Let me use an example. It's an example. They will now place Jesus above their she. No, you cannot place Jesus above your she. If you have aligned your she is supposed to be the ultimate. It's supposed to be the ultimate. Your she is not like a kind of thing that you hide. No, you have to be proud of your she. You have to be very proud of your she. Extremely proud. You have to be extremely proud of your she. Why? Because your she is your savior. This is your own personal savior. Pleading your case. The Igbos will say, that means even in the unseen world, where people are plotting against you, if your she does not give approval, no harm will come to you. I think let me use a classic biblical example of Job when he was wanted to be tempted. I'm not admitting it happened. I'm just trying to let you know. You see that Satan went to collect permission from his God. This is how it happens. So before any harm before you, your she must be aware. So, but if you sideline your she will not plead your case. Your she will leave whatever thing that happened to you. If you acknowledge your she and give your she the necessary honor duly deserved, then your she will be forced to ensure that your case is being pleaded in order to if you Number 6, celebrate your wins with your she through feast. If you win, emelugi forma kenechigi. Emelugi forma kenechigi. Etodike na nke omelo mekwa ọzọ. If you present cases before your she and your she do what? Helps you, guides you through, fights for you, and you see positive result, always learn to celebrate your wins. Number 7, stop asking your she for material things. People always make this mistake. Some people, whenever they come before their she and they are praying, all the things that they are talking, Hana Amanzu, all they are asking of is money. It is wrong. Why is it wrong? Your she knows about those things that you are asking for. Your she knows that you are in need of them. Any child that is always pestering the father to buy this and that and all that is almost like a parasite. A good child will get whatever is due to him. At least it's once in a while that a good child will make a request. But a father knows what a child needs. A mother knows what a child needs. So they will always provide you with what you need. If you know that you are doing the things that you are supposed to do, then believe that whatever your she has given to you is what you need at that particular time. That when time for other big things comes, that they will provide it, they will make it possible for it to come your way. I hope you understand what I've explained about putting your she first. If you have any question, as usual, I'm always in the comment section to answer your question. Thank you for watching this video. Please share. If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.